Hi guys, today we are going to be learning about how to evaluate sources and information to ensure the accuracy of sources we are using. This is important because in this day and age, there is a lot of information being shared and published each day on the internet. In order to form informed opinions about different topics or create accurate papers and presentations in your school career, it is necessary to weed out what information and sources you can trust and which you can't. At the end of this lesson, we will test our newly acquired skills to evaluate a website. You will be looking at the website I have provided for you about the Pacific Northwest octopus, seen here, and answering the following discussion question. Is this a reliable source presenting accurate information? If yes, how do you know it is reliable? If no, what indicates that this source is not reliable? The resources you should look at and use to determine the answer to these questions are in green along the sides and underneath on this page. If you start from the left-hand side of the screen and follow the pathway designated by arrows, you will find a video, an interactive presentation, 2 articles about tips and indicators for assessing websites from Purdue, a list of website endings such as .com, .edu, and .org with brief descriptions, and 3 printable resources that you can print at the library or at home to keep alongside you when evaluating sources. There is a poster handout, a bookmark, and a website credibility checklist. If you start from the right-hand side of the screen and follow the path, you will find a video and a New York Times article about determining accurate information without bias from media sources such as the news, newspapers, magazines, and social media messages from influential figures such as politicians and celebrities. These skills you learn today will be useful for making informed decisions and opinions based off accurate and unbiased information, and will be necessary throughout your school career when writing research papers or giving presentations.